Hello guys, welcome to my SEO Basis YouTube channel. So guys, if you want to learn this SEO Basis course online, okay, so you can learn it. For that, I will give you 45 days content plan. Okay, so according to that plan, so you can prepare yourself very fastly. So basically, it's a 6 week schedule. So what are the topics? So I will explain you. Okay, so I will note down here in the notepad, so you can follow that. And in the meanwhile, you can subscribe my channel, yeah, and you can comment and you can like it. So this is not a coaching class, okay, so it's a content I will tell you. So according to that, you can prepare and how to start those things, so you can prepare yourself. If you want a coaching, okay, so for that you can comment me, okay, with your name and mobile number. Okay, so I will explain you what are the timings of the classes, and the classes will be purely online. Along with the server access I will provide you, and if you want to take server access as a rent also, I can also provide you. Okay, right. So let me give you the list, so and how to prepare. So see, so you can start, okay, week one. So it's like this basics, okay, how to start your SEO basis course, okay, with HANA. Okay, right. So see, so the week one you can start like this. Okay, what is SEO basis? Okay, then after that, what is client? Okay, what is transport request? Okay, fourth one, SAP kernel. Okay, SAP instance. And then T code. T codes. Okay, T codes explain. I will explain you. Then SAP system architecture. Okay, so like this you can start. Okay, so I will give you, okay, only the week one content. So weekly wise I will give you the content. Okay, right. So see, so today we will start, so I will keep this video as short as possible. Okay, right, because if I keep the class, means not class, this video lengthy, so you will get a bore. Okay, so you can google it. Okay, if you're not understanding, you can ping me, I am here to help you, so no need to worry. So see, what is SAP basis? Okay, see, so see, in the simple explanation I will tell you. So the guys who are means join my class for the very first time, okay, please like it, subscribe it, okay, comment it, okay. If you need any explanation, okay, just put your name along with the phone number, I will give you a call. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, so basically this is not for a freshers, whoever the experienced candidates, okay, they can also watch my video. Okay, so if you watch my video and comment me, so I will keep more and more videos. Okay guys, so see, SAP basis. Okay, SAP basis is the technical foundation, okay, that helps, okay, that helps all SAP applications, okay, run smoothly. Okay, so see in this SAP basis, so okay, it's a module. Okay, right, so it's a technical, as we come under the technical. Okay, right, so in that we used to work on the applications. So for that applications, okay, this is a very good foundations. Like we come under the administrator. Okay, like this SE basis. Like as an example, think of it like, okay, the system administrator, and my classes will be only okay in English only, because lot of guys will be joining from all over the India to watch out these videos. So if you're not understanding, just give me a call. Okay, I will explain you. And which is nothing but a backbone of SAP. So what is our rule? Okay, so this SAP basis, okay, right? It take cares. It take cares of installing SAP systems like SAP ERP or S4 HANA, S4 HANA, along with that HANA DB, etc. So these are the main, okay. Along with that, along with that, we also manage users and roles. So anyway, we have a separate security team, but if you don't have any separate security team, so basis also can do this task. It's a very simple, okay, like creating users in SU01 and assigning roles using this transaction code PFCG. Along with that, okay, okay, so along with that, system performance, system performance and monitoring, okay. So I'm giving you the short explanation, like checking logs, memory, CPU, work process, okay. So in the respective T codes like SM50, SM66, so those, okay, who are preparing from home, okay, right? So this is very important. So because this is interview point of view, I'm covering transporting management, okay, right? Like, right, moving changes, okay, moving changes from development to quality to production, okay. Along with that, system refreshes, okay, system refreshes and client copy, and client copy. So this also our responsibility. So what we need to do, copying real data for testing, okay. And along with that, upgrades and patch management, okay, like kernel upgrade, support packages, okay, support packages, S4 HANA migration. So these are all responsibility. So along with that, okay, backup and restore, okay, like database backup, system recovery, okay. Along with that, security authorization, okay, security and authorization, okay. And along with that, server OS administrator, administration, sorry. Okay, along with that, okay, so along with that, Linux commands, network checks, file system, file systems, like that. So this is the week one, day one, okay, of what is SE basis. In short, I told you. So the guys who are familiar with this SE basis with HANA, so they can watch out. And the guys who want the coaching, okay, along with real time scenarios, okay, so you comment me along with your name and phone number, okay, right? So I can train you, okay, so I can train you the course, okay, right? So placement assistance I can give you, okay. So in the meanwhile, okay, you can like my channel, subscribe it, and comment it. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you.